Hello, and welcome back to English by QX Podcast, your space to listen, repeat, shadow, and grow your English step by step. I'm QX, and I'm really happy you're here. In today's episode, I'll speak slowly. I'll use clear, simple English, and I will repeat ideas so you can shadow my voice. Practice speaking and feel more confident every single day. Today, we will learn how to describe your day in English. Not just short lines, but full natural sentences. By the end of this episode, you will be able to talk about your morning, your afternoon, and your evening in clear and natural English. So let's begin. Why should you practice talking about your day? It's simple. Your day is real. It happens to you every day. You don't need to think too hard. You don't need to search for ideas. You just talk about your life. You can say, what time you wake up, what you eat for breakfast, where you go, what you do, how you feel. When you talk about your own day, you practice real, natural English. The English you can use with anyone, anywhere. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to try. Talking about your day helps you think in English. Speak more naturally, stop translating, and build confidence. Imagine someone asks you, "What did you do today?" If you already practiced, you can answer easily. I woke up at 7, I had breakfast, I went to work, and in the evening I relaxed at home. That's real communication, and that's your goal. Even if you're alone, even if you're shy, you can still practice by talking about your day. Whenever you're stuck and don't know what to say, ask simple questions. What did I do today? What time did I wake up? What did I eat? Where did I go? How do I feel? These small questions help you build English habits. One sentence today, 2 sentences tomorrow. A whole story next week. Let's build that skill together. Repeat each sentence after me. I usually wake up at 7 or, now you repeat. Sometimes I wake up earlier when I have a lot to do. Now you repeat. If I sleep late, I feel tired in the morning. I stay in bed for a few minutes and think about my day. I stretch my arms and legs slowly. Then I get up and walk to the bathroom. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I wash my face with cold water. It helps me wake up. Sometimes I take a quick shower if I feel sleepy. After I shower, I put on clean and comfortable clothes. Next, I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. I usually eat toast, eggs, or fruit. I drink coffee or tea to feel fresh. Before I leave the house, I check my phone and my schedule. Then I pack my bag and go out the door. Listen first. Then shadow each line. In the morning, I usually wake up around 7. I lie in bed for a few minutes and think about the day ahead. Then I slowly get up and walk to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face with cold water. Sometimes, I take a warm shower if I feel tired. After that, I put on clean clothes and check myself in the mirror. Next, I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. I eat toast and coffee while sitting near the window. Before I leave the house, I check my messages and pack my bag. Finally, I put on my shoes and step outside to start my day. Repeat after me. After lunch, I go back to work. Sometimes I feel sleepy after eating. I check emails and answer the important ones first. I usually have 1 or 2 meetings in the afternoon. If I work from home, I sit at my desk and open my laptop. I type reports or prepare presentations. I like to keep my workspace clean. It helps me think clearly. Around 3, I take a short break. I drink tea or water. Sometimes I go for a 10-minute walk for fresh air. If I have free time, I study English. I listen to a podcast or read a short article. I repeat small phrases to practice shadowing. Before I finish work, I write down what I did today. I also write 1 sentence about how I feel. After lunch, I return to my desk. I check emails and make a small to-do list. I often have a short meeting with my team. After the meeting, I take a short break and drink tea. Sometimes I step outside for a minute of fresh air. If I have time, I study English by listening to slow audio. I pause and repeat sentences to practice shadowing. Before I finish for the day, I write a short summary of my work. This helps me stay organized and ready for tomorrow. Repeat after me. I come home around 6 on. I take off my shoes and sit down to rest. I sometimes watch the news or listen to music. I cook dinner or order food if I'm tired. I eat dinner with my family and we talk about our day. After dinner, I wash the dishes and clean the kitchen. Sometimes I go for a short walk in the evening. Before bed, I read a book or listen to calming music. I take a shower, brush my teeth, and prepare for sleep. I go to bed around 10:30 or 11. Now it's your moment. Think about your day. What time do you wake up? What do you do in the morning? What happens in your afternoon? How do you relax in the evening? What do you do before bed? Speak slowly. Use simple sentences. Practice every day. Great job today. You listened. You repeated. You practiced full sentences. And you used real English. Not just words, but your story. This is real progress. This is how you grow. This is English by QX Podcast, and I'm proud of your effort. Keep practicing. Keep speaking. Keep believing in yourself. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.